Hey there. Ever wonder how AI models solve complex problems so quickly? Like how do they tackle math puzzles or write code without taking forever? Researchers just cracked a breakthrough that's making these systems blazing fast, and it's all about thinking ahead. Let's dive into the math behind this revolution. Imagine you're solving a tough math problem. You don't just guess the final answer right. You break it into steps. First, I'll calculate this, then that. Large AI models do the same thing. They generate long chains of thought. But here's the problem. Each step has to be generated one at a time, like climbing a ladder. It's slow, especially for complex tasks. Enter Lookahead Reasoning, a game changer that's rewriting the rules. Think of it like a student who skips ahead in a test. A fast, simple AI, the draft, guesses the next few steps of reasoning, not just individual words. Then a more powerful AI, the target, checks if those steps make sense. If they do, boom, multiple steps are accepted at once. Picture this, you're following a recipe. Instead of reading one instruction at a time, you glance ahead and see the next few steps. If they make sense, you keep going. That's what Lookahead Reasoning does, but with AI. It's like having a smarter, faster chef who plans the whole meal while the kitchen works. Here's the deep dive. The draft model proposes a few future steps, and the target model checks them all at once using batch processing, like a chef testing multiple dishes simultaneously. A verifier ensures the steps are semantically correct. They make sense, even if the words aren't exact. If a step fails, the target model fixes it. Meanwhile, token-level guessing, the old guess one word at a time method, still happens within each step, creating 2 layers of speed. The maths, pure magic. On math and coding tests, Lookahead Reasoning boosted speed by 2.1x and kept answers accurate. Traditional methods hit a wall as they tried to guess more steps, but this approach scales better with more hardware. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a rocket ship. The more power you add, the faster you go. But here's the bigger picture. This isn't just about speed. It's about parallelism, the art of dividing tasks to save time. Think of it like a bakery. You could frost cupcakes one at a time, slow but steady, or split the work, multiple bakers handling batches simultaneously. But too much splitting can backfire, like when teams trip over each other. The research reveals a sweet spot between 2 strategies. 1. Step-level parallelism, like having multiple bakers frost a whole cupcake. 2. Token-level parallelism, like splitting a cupcake into slices and having each baker frost a slice. The study shows that sometimes combining both is better than choosing one. It's like a relay race. You need both speed and teamwork to win. But how do you know when to split tasks and when to keep them whole? That's where the math comes in. Researchers proved that under certain conditions, there's a perfect efficiency peak. It's like a mountain with one peak, too little parallelism and you're slow, too much and you're tangled. They even found thresholds. If you have enough workers, computing power, combining methods always wins. But if you're limited, it's a game of trade-offs. For example, if your AI is great at guessing the next word, high accuracy, splitting tasks, token level shines. If it's fast at processing steps, going whole hog, step level is better. Why does this matter? As AI tackles bigger, trickier problems, efficiency is everything. Lookahead Reasoning isn't just faster, it's smarter, using the structure of reasoning itself to unlock new speeds. Next time you see AI solve a tough problem, remember, it's not just guessing. It's taking strategic, verified steps to get the right answer, faster than ever. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how this stacks up against other methods, hit that subscribe button. And drop a comment. What AI task do you think this tech could revolutionize? See you next time.